Welcome to Lesson 6 of Section 8 for the BJCP training program from the Brewers Anonymous Homebrew Club. This is the final lesson in the section covering the brewing ingredients, malts, and adjuncts. This lesson covers the last two subjects on malts and adjuncts that are in the exam study guide, and that is malt content and color. First, let's discuss malt content. The study guide has broken down the malt content into the following pieces. The starches in a malt that'll be converted into simple and complex sugars by another part of the malt, the diastatic enzymes. Proteins are another part of the malt content and serve as food for the germ. Cellulose, polyphenols, and tannins are present in the husks. These can cause harsh flavors in a beer if they're drawn out by too hot or too alkaline sparge water. Now, let's talk about color. Beer color is largely determined by the types of malt used. It's also an important and defining characteristic of any beer style. There's two scales used to measure the color of a beer. The EBC scale used in Europe and the SRM scale used in the United States. Both scales use a range of low to high numbers, with low numbers referring to lighter colors, and the numbers increase as the beer's color gets darker. Here's some examples. American Light Lager has a 2 to 3 SRM range. Pilsners are between 2 and 5 SRM. Oktoberfest beers are in the 7 to 14 SRM, and Dunkelsbach are in the 14 to 22 SRM range. While the beer color is primarily determined by the malt, factors such as the intensity and length of the boil also play a role. And with that wraps up this lesson as well as this section. The program continues in Section 9 for everyone ready to move on, so I'll see you there.